Good afternoon, everybody. So today is Thursday, September the 20th, so I'm a little bit late in getting my week 3 video out, and so I did want to send out a video here this week. So you'll notice that chapter 3 is up and ready to go there, and the quiz is up, and I've got a few articles that I'd like you to read as well. The one thing I'd like to just quickly spend some time on here today is I haven't received any hard, firm questions yet that people want me to go over, but I do want to quickly go over the business plan and deliverables. So this week there's no deliverable, and most of you now have submitted your draft farm proposal to me, and I provided some feedback on that. And by and large, everything's been absolutely fantastic. The main thing that I look at when I'm evaluating the proposals is not so much your idea, because your idea, if you bring it forward, is fantastic. I just want to make sure the scope is not going to be too large nor too small. So far, that hasn't been a huge issue, but one thing I will state, if you're looking at doing a whole farm business plan, that's pretty big, especially for an existing operation. So what I usually encourage people to do at that point is, for the existing operation, talk about it a little bit, but spend most of your time on the new additions, on the new enterprises or the new crops, whatever it is that you're bringing forward. And then spend the business plan incorporating that into your ongoing operation. And I am, of course, happy to help as we move along the different sections. So going into next week, you'll see that week 4 is our mission statement, goals, and objectives. One thing I'd like you guys to start thinking about now is what are the specific measurables that you want to get out of this farm enterprise. So what are the profits? And be very specific. Don't just say you want to make a profit, because a profit can be $1, it can be $1 million. So how much profits? If you're looking at buying land or expanding, how much land? When do you want to expand? And so by setting specific and measurable goals, I'm able to provide more meaningful feedback when we are going through the different sections of your business plan, and you're able to better articulate how you're going to work your business, how you're going to build your business plan to help you achieve those specific goals. So that's about all I want to do on this video. So as always, if you have any questions, fire me off an email, put them up on a discussion board, and I'll happily answer your questions and hopefully answer them. So anyways, that is it for today. I will prepare another video here for next week. If you do have anything you'd like me to cover in that video, please let me know. All right, happy studying.